y'all. We got two SPL 12s.
Take a shot of, I don't care what you're doing now. Chase that on cold screw. When that's done, I just might wash it down with the big picture.
45 amp hours of CMax. Let me pause it. Yeah, y'all, we just got a demo from the SPL 12s. Sounded real good. You know, he's got a CMax back there. He's got, what's the name of the amp again?
DD5K.
It's a DD5K. DD Audio been around a minute though, so you know they got a lot of stuff. You know. Other than that, y'all, catch y'all on the next video.